Hello and welcome to Paint Like a Pro with Hend. My name is Hend. This is a collection of all my videos that I've made over the years, put together for you to learn to paint in oils or acrylic. So do start from the beginning and learn the techniques, and as you work through you will then learn arrangement, tones and perspective. This first lesson is all about paint, colours and how to mix your paints, plus a little thing about varnish. Then we move into the brushes, so we have a good look at the brushes and the canvas. And from then on we work through the learning things, and you'll learn about arrangement and tones and perspective, and then you'll learn how to practice your brush strokes. It is important to practice your brush strokes. So do start from the beginning. Even if you've been painting for years, it's a good idea to start from the beginning. If you wish to teach others to paint, you'll pick up bits and pieces that will help you with your teaching. On the end of this DVD, which is DVD number 1 and possibly the most important DVD, is a few simple lessons to get you painting and free your hand. And then I'll help you through the series with little hints here and there of how you can make the most out of the videos. The paints and the colours and the lessons are for oil or acrylic. There's no difference. We use the same colours, we use the same canvas and we use the same brushes. In fact, you probably can't tell whether I'm painting in oils or acrylic because it's exactly the same to look at. There's no difference. The only difference is that you clean your brushes and thin your paint with water, with acrylic paints, and with oil paints you thin them with a medium. So let's get started with having a look at all the paints and colours and how to thin your paint, which is important because if your paint does not flow off the brush, it won't work correctly.